Which French aero engine company signed an MoU with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, in October 2023 to enhance industrial cooperation in aerospace? A. Dassault Systems. B. Airbus. C. SAFRAN Aircraft Engines. D. Thales Group. Correct answer is option C, SAFRAN Aircraft Engines. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, and SAFRAN Aircraft Engines signed an MoU in October 2023 to enhance industrial cooperation in aerospace. The MoU covers the manufacturing of LEAP engine parts and the joint development of the Indian multi-role helicopter.